Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to log into National Commercial Mobile Banking account. For that, first of all, launch National Commercial Mobile Banking application on your device. Then on the home page, you will see this interface. From here, you have to enter your username and password to log into your account. If you have not registered your account, then simply tap on sign up button to register your account here. Now, to log in, first of all, enter your username. Then enter your password. If you want this device to remember your username and password, then simply tap on Remember Me button. In case you do not remember your password, you just have to tap on Forgot Password option available there. Once you fill out both of the information correctly, at last tap on Login button to log into your account. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.